Yeah, it's got here for expert trades. I've another wee chemical to show you. It's from SCRUBB products. It's a glass cleaner. Now, one problem I did have, I did initially test it on some of the dog art in my living room windows. Problem is, it couldn't be seen in the camera. So I have a different one here to show you. As you can see, I live near the ocean, so as you can imagine, the amount of sand and silt and what gets on the glass is terrible. So we're going to give it a wee clean, see how it does. You can't really see it as well from the outside here, but you can't see it, so we'll give it a wee spray. This is the middle one here will do. That's it down, not there. Spray it on, give it a wipe. Now this is quite a bit of build up here because I haven't cleaned the windows in, well, a good couple of months. But we've left the other ones dirty, so we'll see the comparison. You see yourself, I'm not exactly scrubbing very hard, just giving it a wipe to get it all worked off. I'm not a very good window cleaner. As you can see there, I've left the top one clean so you can see it. It's made an awful big difference straight away. So yeah, for a glass cleaners go, does a really good job. It did a good job in the nose art in the living room window as well, which is quite a challenge for a lot of window cleaners. Anyone who has dogs will know that. I did a good job. Unfortunately, the camera couldn't pick it up, so there's no real point in showing that. But yeah, I would fairly recommend it. It's a worthwhile product.